Hey, let's take a look at this Lomography Fantome 8. This is a very low speed film. First, we're going to take it out of its box. I'm going to show you how to load it into a film camera. I'll give you a good tip on how to use this. And then I'm going to show you 5 photos that I took with this film stock so you know what to expect. So here's the roll of film. Fantome 8 is an 8 ISO film. Most cameras cannot use 8 ISO film, so my tip for you on this is going to tell you how to use it well. But to load it into a camera, if you have an automatic camera, you simply open the back, you're going to find the index, you're going to drop the film into this chamber here, and you're going to line it up with this index. Some cameras will have silver pins here that read a DX code. This film does not have a DX code. So before you buy this film, make sure that your camera, if it has a DX code reader or it has a light meter in it, has a light meter that can read 8 ISO film. Not all of them can. To load it into an automatic film camera, you simply pull the leader out until it lines up with the orange index. Make sure the film's not poking out of the back. Close the camera, and it should automatically advance the film. To load the film into a camera that has a manual advance and rewind, simply open up the back of the camera, drop the film into the film cassette chamber, feed it into this leader over here on the right side, just like that. We're going to advance the film. Now that taken up, what you do is you close the back, advance the film until you get to frame number 1. Make sure to set your ISO over here to 8 ISO. So my tip for you is that if your camera does not reach 8 ISO, you're going to need either a handheld light meter or a smartphone light meter app that can reach 8 ISO and manual exposure controls on your camera so that you can manually set the aperture and the shutter speed for an 8 ISO film. Here are 5 photos I've taken with Fantome 8 so you know what kind of results you can expect with this film.